Okay, this is Spencer. Welcome back to my channel, where we hang your wallpaper, make you laugh and cry, all in the same show. Now, I want to show you, this is frame 3 of this difficult wallpaper installation. You tell me where the seam is here. I'm going to put my finger on the repair, and I want you to tell me what's up. You got that? Is my finger on the camera? Okay, what you're looking at is a piece. I have 2 inches here to work with, but I got it done. I got that wallpaper in there. What you probably cannot see from where you are is something that I can't see from where I am, and that is, not only did I make a horizontal seam, but I made a diagonal seam because I couldn't make a horizontal seam in here. Couldn't do it. This isn't carpentry where you can take one of those oscillating blades that go back and forth. You need a quick slicing blade, and obviously we can't get the dexterity in order to make the cut. So what did I do? I worked with the space. I made a vertical cut that's diagonal. That's the only way I could do it. And guess what? You can't see it. The homeowner can't see it. And when I get done drying this thing, I'm not going to be able to see it either. And that's what you want to do when you're in a difficult situation. You have to, don't think that you can't make a seam the best possible way that it fits into the space. You do what you have to do in order to get your wallpaper pattern to match up. And unless the customer's going to remove this vanity, well, you got to work around it. And so I just wanted to show you how wallpaper hangers take the time to really provide excellence for their customers. And that's something that I do. And that's something that people who really love the wallpaper industry, that's what they do to make their customers happy. It actually it's a very gratifying experience for the wallpaper hanger as well. So there you have it. Those are 3 frames on a difficult wallpaper installation. This is Spencer, your wallpaper hanger. This is my wallpaper show. And I will see you on the next one. In the meantime, make a comment on the video. Tell me what you think. Did I do good? What do you think? If you like it, click on like, subscribe to my channel, and do me a favor, make a comment, whatever it is. I don't like your work. You're great, you're horrible, whatever it is. I appreciate all comments. Thanks a lot. See you on the next one.